For our larger paludarium, we got a little saltwater tank here. And got some fish in there. It's nighttime, so lights are off. Got some little Nemo fish and a little shrimp somewhere here. I don't know if you can see him. Nope, can't really see him. He's glaring. He's blending right in with the rocks. But this is going to be our paludarium. And it's going to be about 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, and about 4 feet high. And it's going to go all the way up to the top edge there. And it'll be all encased up in the top. And it's going to have all the plumbing pushed out to the back side. We're going to build a small little fish reptile room out the back, out the side door, or sunroom. This place will be able to walk in between. Kind of build some cabinets to hide it, and then we'll L-shape it and build a reef tank here. So we'll have a reef saltwater tank with a paludarium with reptiles, frogs, lizards, snakes, and freshwater fish. We're going to have our own little jungle in our house. And the start of the paludarium. Getting the glass set up. So far, so good. So we got some bulkheads set up on the back side. Go down and out. We'll go out to the room we're gonna build outside, and where all the plumbing's gonna be kind of in here encased. Build cabinets, and then some bulkheads at the bottom here. Water was already put in to make sure nothing was leaking. And we're good. The next phase is building the frame around the paludarium. My husband did all the framework, routed some of the edges, got the redwood put on there. We painted the inside and sealed it so any moisture and stuff like that won't warp or destroy the wood, and then we're gonna stain the outside. We still got to get a couple more pieces. The hood's going to be built. And then what we're going to do is trim it all out with different driftwood pieces that we're going to get. And we're going to put it all around to make it kind of like look like there's driftwood. And it's like there's critters inside.